I don't mind. I don't mind keeping it. But the problem is this, then I have, then 5 months I can't do anything else. People already purchased 50,000.
I think markets are trying to find their way since the volatility that we've seen of the past June and then the first, let's say, week in July. Markets are going in a range. They're trying to stay above the 4,000 for the DFM, trying above the 4,500 points index, try to test the 4,600, but the volumes are much lower. It's still led by companies like Arabtec and Gulf Finance House. A'mar was there today. It reached a high of 978 before going back down to 950, which really tells us that I think the speculators are the ones who are in the market. They're not the long-term investors. We look also, A'mar is very important in terms of the real estate, and Al-Dar in Abu Dhabi is very important also. Al-Dar has announced a new CE, I think taking over now. And I think in between, and Salat, of course, the telcos and Du, between those companies altogether, I think we'll have about 75 to 80% of the market cap, and therefore that's what's going to dictate the direction. What we really need is positive surprises. If you maintain the same kind of growth we've seen in Q1, I think it's going to have a neutral effect on the market. It's the positive, or unfortunately, if it comes a negative surprise of results, is what when we see the more of a different movement from what we see at the moment.
احنا في شهر رمضان بيبقى فيه قله تعاملات وقله احجام تداول، وبيبقى فيه غالبا ما بيبقاش فيه حركه قويه قوي في الاسعار، وده فعلا اللي حاصل في الفتره دي. يمكن شويه القطاعات، قطاع الاسكان وقطاع المواد الغذائيه بيتحرك بشكل كويس الاسبوع اللي فات، الا ان باقي القطاعات شايفين ان هو ما بيعملش النشاط الملحوظ او النشاط الكافي.